Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. This is season 2, baby. We are back from hiatus. I'm so excited that you joined us today, sis. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way real quick. Make sure that the notification bell is rung as well. You don't want to miss what's coming next. We have another installment today of What's in the Box, coming to you from Beauty Nation. If you're not already familiar with this series, we are receiving surprise wig shipments. I don't know what's in this box. You're about to find out right now with me. So we're gonna open this box up, see what kind of unit is in here. We'll put it on, we'll slay it, and I'll give you my honest thoughts. So as always, you're gonna get to enjoy watching me work. All right, so this box once again comes from beautynation.shop. Many of the units that I review come from this website, so if you are interested in quality, affordable units that slay, make sure you check them out. There'll be a link down in the description box for you. Let's go ahead and cut this box open, shall we? All right, so first out of the box, we got this. You know that we need these. We need to have these in steady supply. I love this Got to Be blasting free spray. I use it on everything. I use it on my lace fronts. I use it on my hair. You know we gotta have these. Gotta be safe for Corona time. There's another hydrating lip gloss by Kiss. This is Ruby Kisses. This is in the clear RL001. This lip gloss is bomb, you guys. First of all, it's super glossy, it's super shiny. I'll put it on right now. And one of the things that I absolutely love about this gloss is not only is it popping, but it's got something in it that's almost like minty or eucalyptus and almost like Vicks Vapor Rub, but not as intense, being smeared onto my lips. It's just really cool and really refreshing, and it's like a tingling sensation. I like it. It makes me happy. I feel like it's doing something special to my lips, and I appreciate that. Today, we're gonna be reviewing Violet by Mayde Beauty. I have Violet in the OM Aurora color, and this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. Look at this color. This is a blunt cut bob, as you can see. This comes with a fixed middle part. There is no lace on this unit. It is a full cap. She has 2 combs on either side near the temples, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. Okay, so I must be having a swollen head day, so the wig grip had to come off. I'm also going to cut a small V right into the front of this part so that it doesn't look quite as bulky right there in the front, and that it lays a little bit more flat and looks a little bit more seamless. That V should be teeny tiny. I am not talking about cutting a lot of lace from the front of that unit. We're just snipping a tiny portion. For it to be a wefted cap, it is a bit on the smaller side. It is much more comfortable and fits much better once I've adjusted those straps and removed my wig grip. So keep that in mind. If you are a larger side head, this probably will not be a good selection for you. So I am getting a little bit of shedding, but even with that small minor adjustment to that part, I think it looks a lot better. The texture on this unit is hard to describe. It's a thicker, silky texture. Does that make sense? I can't call this a yaki because it's too stringy to be a yaki. It's flyaway hairs everywhere, but it's a lot thicker and more dense than some of the other Barbie doll units that I've gotten. I hope that makes sense. Here's a 360. I think that this color is really pretty. This is not normally a color that I would choose myself or probably wear I just don't go places that justify or support something so party-ish, but it is a really fun and really pretty color, and I know that some people will absolutely love this. Some people are just more adventurous with their wig choices than I am, but for a beginner-friendly unit with no work out of the package, this is definitely approved. I would probably ask for it in a normal natural color next time, but that's part of the appeal of this line. It does come in lots of really fun colors, you guys. I really like that pink one as well. For $24.99, I think this is a justifiable slay. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you like this unit? This is so far out of the box for me, but that's the point of what's in the box. And that's why I love this series and why I'm super excited to do it and be bringing this to you guys. Because I will pick the same units over and over and over again because that's what I like. And I find myself collecting the same style, the same type of unit over and over and over again because that's what attracts my eye when I'm selecting units. So to have somebody send something to me that's completely out of the ordinary, outside of my comfort zone, and to be able to present something different to you guys is just awesome to me. So I hope that you're enjoying this series. I will definitely be back with more. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss my future videos. I hope that you enjoyed the time that you spent with Tiffkneebaby TV. Make sure that you continue slaying with me and have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye, friends.